Welcome students. I will show you how to access online lectures through the e-learning portal. First, click on Site Home, then search for the course with the lecture you would like to attend, e.g. SCH 7555. Then click on Go. Scroll down, click Access. Here you will see the procedure to log into the online lecture. Here you will see the procedure on how to access the online lecture. Kindly go through the procedure. Once done, take note of the password indicated. For example, here, KM Lecture 4. Highlight the password, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right click and press on copy, as you will require this password on the next step. Note that the password needs to be provided by your lecturer prior to you accessing the online lecture. To access the online lecture, you will need to click on this link down here. So we'll click. Then it will take you to this page. On this page, you will indicate your name in full and your registration number. This will be used as your identifier in the lecture by your lecturer. Then enter the password below. Either you can press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste, or you can right click and press paste or type the password. Then click on I am not a robot checkbox. Then click on join meeting. It will then redirect you to the online lecture.
Only person in this conference.
Then connect you automatically to audio so that you may hear your lecturer. Note, once you're connected, it will highlight in blue as shown, and if you click on it, you will leave the audio and you will not be able to hear your lecturer, and it will be shown as that. Here you have the web conferencing platform where the online lecture will take place. On this section, the presentations will appear here by the lecturer. Here where it's written public chat, you can be able to write your comments. You can also chat with your fellow classmates or with the lecturer to post your conversation, your questions, your comments. You can just type here below, e.g. hi, testing, then press enter or click here. It will then display your message together with your identification details for the lecturer to easily identify you. If you face any challenges, you can contact us on email through odell-studentsupport@mbuni.ac.ke. Thank you.